remember, this is the Matrix Fight Club server. This is the website for the Matrix Fight Club. We changed it from Underground to Fight Club because now we're officially being sponsored a little bit by Nifty, so it's not really Underground, it's just a Fight Club. So if you want to get started, all you do first is you click on the Rumble icon, Let's Rumble. You put in your fighter's token ID. Your token ID is the avatar ID of your character. So for instance, if you know what it is, you can just insert it. If you don't, you have to go to your profile. I can only show you right now because profiles are down, but my strongest blue pill is 88600, and you have to create a special code. Now this code has to be at least 6 or 7 characters. It can be letters, it can be numbers or spaces. So we can just do hello there. Easy stuff. If you don't want random people to join your fight, you click on hide fight from homepage. Then we're going to press start fight. By pressing start fight, it's going to generate a fighting little server for you. Alright, so see, it takes you here real quick. Boom. Goes to 88600. This is the icon. This is the NFT ID that you put in. You can see this down here. It's a plus button. If you want to add your own opponent to fight against, you can insert whatever token ID you want. Here is the stats. So it shows stats to the left of fighter 1, which is this guy, and fighter 2, which is this guy. There's no fighter 2, it just shows question marks. So let's go ahead and add a fighter 2. We're just going to put in, and it can be red pill or blue pill. It doesn't have to match. So let's go ahead and do number 1, because number 1 has been pilled. But they have to be pilled. I'll say that right now. Insert the secret code. Then press OK. It's going to regenerate it. Get ready. Press OK. It's going to load up a new screen. This is the first icon you clicked on. Oh, this is the second icon. By clicking anywhere on the screen, basically, you're going to go ahead and start the fight. So now it shows both stats. Bottom left is for the first player. Bottom right is the second player. This button will kick you, or it'll kick the other person from the fight and basically end the fight. This button will take you back to the home screen. Do not leave this page, all right? Because you have to start it from this page. If you leave the page, the fight can no longer be started. So when you're ready to start, you just press anywhere on the screen. I press start. It says it cannot be undone. Press OK. And it's going to do a fight and tell you who wins. Whoever is highlighted in green has won. And if you scroll over the stats, it shows you which random 3 attributes were pinned up against each other. So the way it works is that the algorithm chooses 3 random statistics or 3 random attributes and then combines the total together. And whoever has the highest total wins. If it's a tie, it will choose a new attribute. It'll have those 3 and then add a 4th one, and then see who has the highest one. I've had to use 5 of my sticks attributes just because it was really tight with someone, like it was really close, so then we were able to really push the tie-breaking system. So if you look at what was chosen, dexterity, charisma, and strength, I have 4, 7, and 15. They have 3, 5, and 1. So I had 26. They had 9. So I win by a landslide. And then when you're done, you just press back. It takes you back to the home screen. You can do that as many times as you want. To show you what an open fight looks like, these are all open fights. These are all open fights, as you can see. So I'm going to go ahead and go against another one. I'm not going to really do that right now, actually, because the way it works is that let's say you want someone to fight you. All you're going to do is type in the fighter ID you want to put in. So I'm going to put in mine again, or 51494. That's my strongest red pill. And put in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I'm going to not hide it from homepage listing, so anyone that can see the fight can actually click on it and join. Oh, it has to be 7 characters, my bad. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Easy, right? And then what you would do is you'd wait here. It shows a secret code on the bottom left if it's not hidden from the homepage view. And then that way, anyone that wants to join can click on the plus button, or yeah, they can go to the screen, click on the plus button, type in their token ID for the avatar, and then type in the secret code phrase right here, and then you get a fight going. The only thing is, the person that starts the fight, player 1, has to be the one to run the fight, and it'll refresh on both screens. But if you no longer have access to this page anymore, if you refresh or go back or anything, or close a tab, the fight cannot be started anymore, basically. So I would just say be careful with that, and that is all of the important info on this website about doing the Fight Club. So keep that in mind. If you're interested in doing more stuff with this, join the Discord in the link below. And we have fight nights, we have a leaderboard with prizes given out and all that fun stuff. All right, I'm going to record that one more time just to show people on the video, on the YouTube videos, how it works. So I'm going to go ahead and do that again. I'm going to go ahead and type in the fight. I'm going to do in 51494. Secret code is going to be 12345667. I'm not going to click that because I want random people to be able to fight me. I'm going to press start fight. And one thing you can also do, by the way, ladies and gentlemen, they could go to the home page to find the fight, or you can just send them the link. So, yeah, player 1 has to start the fight. So do me a favor and try that one more time, just so we can make sure it's actually 100% works, and so I can get it on recording for these people in the videos. So yeah, all you do is I sent the link out in the chat for the stream, and it's going to be pretty simple, pretty easy. Once I click on the link, they'll be taking the screen. When they press this plus button and add their avatar number and stuff, it's going to refresh for both of us, give us the same new screen, and then I will be able to start the fight as player 1. So see, he added his player. It's a blue pill. You can look at the stats beforehand. It's the same one he just beat me with. It chose strength, wisdom, and charisma, but now I'm hoping it goes and chooses intelligence. So now that I'm player 1, I can click anywhere and press start. This cannot be undone. And oh my gosh, dude, it keeps on choosing strength. Okay, I want to know that, keep in mind, it might seem like it's choosing the same attributes, but there's only 6 attributes. It chooses 3 of them randomly. So there's a 50-50 for each attribute being picked. I want that known. So that is how you do the matchmaking system on here. And yeah,